Hey, let me show you how you can find and sync contacts with your Instagram in the quickest way possible. So first you have to open up your Instagram, go to your profile, hit on hamburger menu, then account center, and from the option choose your information and permissions. Now here we'll see the option upload contacts. Just hit on it and now select your Instagram account. Now from here you will see the option saying connect contacts. Just you have to toggle it on and allow all the permissions. And then on this page, you can choose which contact you want to sync, or you can select allow all contacts. And now the syncing is connected. And now to find your contacts profiles, you have to go back to your profile, then tap on followings. Now scroll all the way down and you will see discover people. And under this, just hit on find people to follow. Now on this discover people page, you will find profiles that are saved in your phone contacts. So keep in mind syncing may take some time, sometimes even a few hours or days to show all profiles properly. So if you want to double check that contact syncing is enabled or not, so just from your iPhone settings, you have to go to apps, then select Instagram. And now from this contact section, you have to make sure it's set to full access. Now go back to your Instagram and open your profile again. Now tap on the discover people icon and here you will see profiles that are linked to your contacts. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.